How to add music to your already posted Instagram post. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'm gonna let you know the ways to add music to your already posted Instagram post. For that, gonna open up a login into your Instagram account and then press the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and let's say that I'm gonna go ahead and add a music or a song to this post. If you tap the three dot icon from the top right and then you go to edit section, here you can be able to make changes with all of these features, such as you tag people, add locations, your captions and all that. However, there's no such option as to add music to the already posted on Instagram. Now if you want to add music to the post, then you have to delete this and then re-upload the same photo with the music, then that's only going to be available. Likewise, the alternative way is that you could go ahead and share it to your story by tapping the airplane icon and then click the add to story button, and here press the music icon from the top right. Now select the music that you wish to add it, and likewise you could go ahead and share it on your Instagram post. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.